Hello, this is Sonia from My Happy Space. Welcome back at my channel. Just helping you to set up for this week's memory verse. We are memorizing the second bit of Matthew 6, verse 20 to 21. Last week we've memorized what we shouldn't do. This week is obviously what we should do. So we're going to move that into our daily section. With other words, we're going to concentrate that on the daily, on every day for the next week. Our old daily, we're going to move behind even. So we're going to concentrate that on the even days of the week, the second, fourth. Our old even verse, we're going to move into the odd section. So we're going to concentrate that on the odd days of the week, the fifth, ninth, and so forth. And our old odd verse, we're going to move into the weekly section. Last week, I think we did Wednesday. So this week, we will do Friday. So our old, or not Friday, Thursday. So our old Thursday verse, we're going to move into the monthly section. So you can choose anywhere in the monthly section, or you can just go in a sequence. I'm just going to look for a place where there's fewer verses, because I've obviously have quite a lot of verses behind everything, because I've memorized scripture for a while. So I think I'm going to put it behind the 30th, because I've just got 2 verses down there. So on the 30th, I will revise that verse. So yeah, and tomorrow morning I will get my book and I will go to my new page where I memorize scripture. Last week I've done this one. So yeah, I'm going to concentrate on writing it down there and memorizing scripture. Last week's memory verse was really a blessing to me. I love memorizing it, so I'm looking forward to this week also. Have a very, very blessed day.